All right. We are live on YouTube. We're live on Twitch. We're live everywhere. It's about to get started. I think this is like the third time I'm trying to launch a website. Maybe it took like 4 or 5 streams to build the V1, and it's taking like the same amount of time to launch the website. I was thinking about that copy public, you can remove it, as we realize background worked. Oh, Vertizoid, you're absolutely right. We can remove that thing for sure. It was just yeah, it was just a CSS pointing to the wrong file. And it only worked because we had that file in our local folder. Anyways, we're about to see if everything works real soon. I think the biggest challenge today is going to be maybe setting up the Nginx stuff. So I'd like to keep my old website too. Maybe I should preserve that somewhere. Put that to a new domain like old.midnightsimon.com. Anyways, are y'all ready? I think maybe we can get started in a minute, in a few seconds. In 5 seconds, we can get started. All right, y'all ready? What are we doing first, man? I was gonna do something. I don't remember what. Always ready. Is that so? Should I push all these changes? Final junk changes before real commit messages. Can I do that? I should probably not upload my database thing there too. But these are junk commits anyways. Nobody cares. These aren't even public, man. What's on the to-do list? I don't know. I don't know yet. Let me think about that. I think, all right. I think I gotta figure out the Nginx configs, and then that's it, right? I think that's it. Hold on. Let's just ask ChatGPT to give us some Nginx config things. Because what we want is, we just want like an Nginx proxy to redirect requests to that port, whatever port we're running it on, 3030, right? Give me an Nginx config that points a request from some domain. Oh dang, what the hell is that? Hector HSC coming in with 100 bits. Thank you very much, Hector HSC. What's happening? I don't know if this is a good prompt, but let me give you your bits, Hector. Look at all those things, man. Maybe by the end of the stream, I can just go to my UI and fill in some things to fill out a new person going in. All right, let's see what ChatGPT says to us. So we hit them with this thing. Should I just look up, should I trust ChatGPT? I don't see why not, yeah? All right, first I gotta configure my domain to point, well, I guess my domain is pointing to the server, but I want to configure it to point like old.midnightsimon. So maybe I'll do that without showing my screen because I don't even remember. I'll just put my full face up. Yeah. Where do I have my domains at, man? Can't show y'all that. Is it Google Domains? Is it Namecheap? Not sure. Maybe I should have prepared for this stream more by already doing this stuff, man. Oh no, I had Google Domains and got sold. I don't know how to manage my old domains now. Alright, we're on Squarespace. Yeah, they go through Squarespace, apparently. Steven Saggy Balls, what's happening, man? Alright, so how do I don't want to show my screen because it has a lot of information I don't want y'all to see. Javier D, how you doing, man? How's everyone's Thanksgiving and all that junk? Everything good? So how does this work, man? Do I just add a record? All right. Maybe this might be it. We don't celebrate over here, Colombia. I see. Yeah, I guess it's an American holiday. What's the current status of the website? We're just trying to deploy it still. Yesterday, or not, the last stream, I think Wednesday, I got everything set up with Docker Compose, and I got 2 containers talking to each other with only one. Well, both of them won't be exposed to the internet. Will they be exposed? I don't know how it works, man. I guess it shouldn't be if Nginx is handling the request, right? If anybody knows, let me know. What's up? Hold on. I'm about to share my screen soon. Alright, I think I just added my thing, old.midnightsimon.com. Oh yeah, that's working. So now I gotta, well, let me look through my Nginx. Where's the Nginx stuff kept? Sites enabled. I don't know what sites I have on here. All right, here's Man, can I show you my Nginx file? Is that okay? Think so. How do I do this part? If I want to put my old website, I already put my domain thing. I just put old right there and this should work. And then it says I gotta restart. I should check. So it looks okay, and then I should just restart. Is that gonna work, man? No. I'm trying to get this website to point to the old.midnightsimon.com thing. How do you do all that, man? I wonder if I need, does it work? No, it doesn't work. I wonder if I need to make a new thing. Because I have like certbot on there. Maybe I gotta like, maybe the certificates are not valid, but it just says 404 not found. So maybe it's not even working right. Need a new domain name? No, I have midnightsimon.com. I'm just trying to add old dot to it. Maybe it takes a while for the DNS thing to refresh. Well, this one says can't be reached, and this one says not secure or not found. So maybe it is kind of working. So this is where I put the server name. And then I don't know how this stuff works. Maybe it's this one down here. Don't defense. How you doing, man? Let me just try these. I probably should generate new certificates or something, right? How close are we to deploy? I don't know. We just started, man. We just started. But let's do TypeRacer first, and then we'll figure out how to do all this junk, man. Alright. TypeRacer. Are y'all ready? Me versus Q? Alright. Wait, I don't trust that bet, man. I don't trust it. But I'll do it. I'll do it. Me versus you? No, you want payback? Alright, here we go. It's gonna be... Don't Q, are you ready to race? Don't defense, are you ready to race? Because we're about to do both of y'all versus each other. Alright, let's do it. 2 minutes to the side. First race is the warm-up. Second race is the championship round. Everybody knows that. Here is the racetrack. Alright, there you go. YouTube. There you go, Twitch. And there you go, the Discord. $12.40 races. Where, oh dang, that's a lot of races. All right, first race warm up. Let's go. Man, how are we gonna fix the dang website? Man, that was a hard passage. No one got triple digits. But that was just the warm up, man. Yeah, that was really bad for everyone. All right, the bets are closed, and we got Don't Defense versus Q Ultimus. The championship round is about to begin, so don't you worry. That was just the warm up. Q doesn't believe in himself too much. Nah, I think he doesn't want to lose any money. All right, are y'all ready? Dang, Save It Here is here. Let's go. Oh, I gave a junk URL in TypeRacer, my bad. That was tough, man. Jeez, Q with the 112. Save It Here, 123. And Don't Defense with the 105. I'm coming in at 98. And Clistar with an 81. Dang, Don't Defense. Q believes in himself, but not too much. Q won that out of Don't Defense and Q. And Save It Here won the championship round. So who won that? Q Ultimus won that. Easy money. And from YouTube, what name, what keyboard are you using? I got a, what's it called? Bubble 75 with Aqua King switches. If I could donate all my money to you, you'd have enough. That's why I don't trust those bets, man. It looks like, I don't know if Don't Defense lost that to try and donate money to Q or what. Anyways, where are we going? Oh wait, I gotta figure out, how do we make the dang thing work? He rigged the election. Mendez, how you doing? Trying to donate money. Nobody should be donating any money out here, man. That's called laundering money. We gotta, alright, we gotta point this dang thing to make it work. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. Should I just delete? Should I, let us donate? Nah. Too many people trying to donate? Nah, Q is an honorable person. He's not gonna take your donations. Alright, should I just delete my Nginx thing? How do I disable something? I don't want to show you my dumb websites, man. It's too late. I already showed y'all. Who cares, right? Alright, let's see. So, what I just... Do you have an SSL cert? No, I'll do that last. I'll just use certbot. Is it T? Alright, I'm just trying to bring down my website. Okay. That looks good, right? I changed something. And it doesn't, yeah, that looks good to me. So now I'm just gonna put up a brand new thing. Oops. Should I put up a brand new one? Yeah, I'm just gonna delete this one. What should I call it? I don't know what to call it. Is this all that goes into an Nginx? No. I should, you know what I should do? I should just move my old one. And then maybe I can like delete all this stuff. I think certbot added this junk. I'm gonna erase it. I'll erase all the lines that said something about certbot. I'll just create a new certificate maybe and see if that works. So everything else should be right. Let's see. And then how do I put this on in sites enable? It's like you gotta make a symlink or something. How do you do that? How? What am I looking for? This? Sites available. All right, let's try that. Oh, it's working. It is working. Have you seen this? What are you talking about? Bobby Blue, what's happening? Chi copies my voice. I did see that actually. I don't even think he sounds like me, man. It's not a very good imitation. It's identical? Nah. You guys are tripping. That's not identical. Alright, so we got this basic ass thing to work. Let's add a certificate now. certbot how to create a certificate. Which one am I running on? I don't know. I'm not sure. Web hosting, Linux, pip, snap, what the hell? I don't know what I'm running on, man. It used to have some dang instructions. Where are the instructions at? Should I just choose one of those? Alright, don't look. I don't know what's gonna pop up here. Is it working? How's Japanese learning going? Man, it's not going. Wait, it says there are problems. So do I have to put a... Hold on, man. I don't know how these DNS things work. DNS records. I'm trying to do very... I don't know. I don't want to show my name or anything, even though I guess a lot of people already see my name before. Your name is not Simon? Man, how'd you know that? Hold on, man. DNS settings. Man. So do I have to add... Maybe you guys know. So you know when you have a domain name and it's like you want to do www.something.midnightsimon.com and just old.midnightsimon.com. Do I have to specify in my DNS settings for my domain name, do I have to specify both of them? Or what? Yeah, right? A subdomain? Yeah, but with like the www part at the beginning too. Anyways, I'm just gonna do it and see what's up. Here, wait, what? Here's a good heuristic if you should learn a thing. If Simon knows it, it's good to learn. If Simon doesn't know it, you should learn it. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, Bobby Blue is asking something. Let me see what... Oh. Eulerian path? I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, you don't... I think that's a... Don't defense. I think that's a good method to have to see like what do you need for interviews. And I don't know what the hell you talking about. Euler's path or whatever. Never heard of it. I tried to maximize my learning for interviews only, so I wasn't learning things like segment trees and stuff like that, man. You know, it's like, who's gonna need a segment tree in an interview? Nobody. Hold on, I'm about to switch it back real soon. feel like Eulerian Path is more competitive programming. I think I was close. Yeah, don't defense. Close enough to what? Oh, Nihongo desu? It means, do you, is it Japanese? I don't know. Do I know Japanese? I don't know Japanese, man. Hold on, hold on. Out here joking around. Anyways. I'm still trying to get this dang thing to work. But this doesn't work. I don't know why. But this works. And now I just did the cert bot on it, so we should be good. Anyways, let's move on now. Let's move on to what should we do? I guess we can upload the Docker Compose junk, right? Let's try and do that. So what do we have to do? We have to upload both images, and then we have to get that compose file over there. So here's the compose file, but I'm thinking, yeah, these both don't need to be exposed to the internet because we got our Nginx thing that will proxy the request to this port 3030 for the React app, and then the React app can talk to port 3000 for the API, the back end. So what we got to do is we got to upload those images, and I forget the commands to do all that. Build the image. We need one. Save a tar of the image. Let's ask ChatGPT or a Docker or something. How to save? What is the command to save a Docker image to a tar? Is it a tar file? All right, here it goes. Docker save something, something, something. So it's gonna be called oh, maybe Docker isn't running. Nocturne Nate GG, thank you very much for the follow. Drifted Daydreams, how are you doing? Sorry, I just saw your chat message on YouTube. DevGod 2020, what's up? Can't wait to hack my website. Already have some ideas. Dang, man, why you gotta try and hack me like that? Chill. Jesus Christ, man. Wait, is this working? Alright, what are your ideas? Because I'm sure it's possible, man. What am I using Docker for? I'm using it for my React Remix app and also my Hono Node.js Hono backend API. Alright, so we got that one. Let's get the other one now. Oh wait, I never updated my password. Man, do I gotta do that before I upload it? Or should we just check that it works first? What do you think? Let me update my password, man. I don't trust you guys, especially Don't Defense. Already talking about trying to hack my website. If you want me to be the top type racer, you shouldn't update it. No. Well, I'm gonna update it, man. It's gonna be a real good password. Alright, no looking, no looking. Let me update this password. Check if it works first so the hackers can get to it. The one hacker, Don't Defense. Alright, I got my new password. Let me do that before I upload stuff. Alright, where's my old password? Oh. Alright, no looking, man. No looking. Yeah, maybe I can take out all these crazy console logs too. Alright, that's good enough for now. I gotta rebuild my things though. This is React with Tailwind and deployed with Vite. This is React with Tailwind and Remix and deployed with containerizing it and deploying it on my dedicated server. We should have it hashed. Yeah, it should be hashed. I'll do that in the future, I think. Like real soon. I really just want everything to kind of work. And then I will probably put the password in the database or something. Passwords should never be hard-coded. Yeah. Why is the password all... Yeah, don't worry about that, man. This is maximum security for the amount of time we have. AKSR41, how are you doing? What was I doing now? Oh, I gotta rebuild one of these images. What's the thing? Docker builds T. Something like this, right? You can inject it as environment variable. Yeah, maybe I'll do that actually. But not right now, man. I just want to see everything working, and then I'll probably just bring it down and update some things. Yeah, it's too much work, man. We're all lazy here. We know it's not great practice. Let me say that first and foremost. But sometimes you still do, like, you know, you're not supposed to speed, man. Everybody speeds anyways. You know, you're supposed to come to a full stop at the stop sign, but maybe sometimes you don't. Or, it ain't too crazy right now, I think. Alright, so I just rebuilt my image. I guess I have to save it again. Tech debt. Yeah, that's what it is, man. Tech debt. Oh man. You can't see my new password. But you only get to see a little bit of it. There's still a lot more. It's a long Anyway, I don't care if you guys know the password right now, because I'm just trying to see if it works. If you guys want to try and add yourself to a Type Racer champ, go ahead. But alright. What do we have to do? I think we have to upload these images. If SHA-256 password. Alright. You want me to do that? I'll do it. I'll do it. You guys already seen the password. Jesus. Wait, look how many characters you're missing though. A lot. That was like 50 characters you're missing. Is it just like that? Or are you saying it's actually a little bit more? I guess Hono got some crypto stuff. Too much work, man. Can't believe you guys making me do all this work. Anyways, what am I looking for again? I forget. I'm looking for these hash vulnerability. Hold on. Don't defense is delaying our deployment. Yeah, man. We should have been deployed already, but you guys want all these extra features now. Like more security. We don't have time for that, man. Node environment. Yeah, maybe we should be using environment variables. But also this password we shouldn't even be using it like this anyways. Alright, so if we use this, then every time I go to my dang Docker composting, I'm gonna have to hide my screen. Why not just have it in the database? That's too much work too, man. You can change it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here we go. Should I put it in the database? Or should I put it in environment variables? Or should I just leave it hard-coded? I'm gonna just leave it in the environment variables, man. You guys, man. Tripping. Wait. You already have to read shit? Man, I don't know how to read. Where do we read stuff? I don't actually get... Oh, here's a get. No, it's not going in the database, that's for sure. It's going in the environment variables, man. You guys, delay of game. We still have to do the Nginx stuff. Alright, we'll put it in database for v1.01. How do you read from... I did it somewhere in here, man. Yeah, this is what we need, right? I would be like the worst TypeScript dev of all time. All right, here we go, here we go. Is it a good moment to remove the old background? Javier D, what you talking about? Old background? AKSR, it's coming in V1.01, man. We can't be bothered with all this junk right now. So you're saying all I gotta do is put this in my environment variables, like down here somewhere. It was called secret, what was it called? Secret password. Alright, you guys don't look at my new secret password, man. The GIF like old TV effect. You don't like that, Javier D? Alright, I hope this junk works. So what are we doing? We gotta rebuild the thing. And then we gotta save the image again. Can you show Docker Compose? Yeah. Another time. Man, you guys really don't want me to launch. Man, I just started playing Ghost of Tsushima last night. Was it last night? Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm taking a break from that dang game to work on this website. So I'm trying to get out of here, man. I'm not trying to worry about password security. Did you play Balatro? Yeah, I did play that. I played maybe like 30 hours of that game a few months ago. Start playing Owlboy. Crunchy nerd, what's happening? What the heck is Owlboy? Is that like a Zelda type game? Alright, now we gotta figure out how the hell to transfer things. And I know how to do it, but I gotta not show my screen while I'm doing that stuff. Give me a second here. I'm doing things. Typing in passwords and stuff. How am I deploying? I'm transferring these Docker images to my dedicated server. I have a dedicated server, if that's what you're asking. So I'm just transferring the images, and then I'm gonna run my Docker Compose file and make everything work. Render is free. What does that mean? What provider do I use? I use Wholesale Internet or something like that. I like the artwork style of Old Boy. Or Owl Boy, should I look it up? What's so funny, don't defense. Render.com. I was about to comment on how Wholesale Internet is one of the best hosting services. Man, it's just a cheap dedicated server. I don't know if it's the best. I've used a lot of places to have dedicated servers, but a long time ago, like I used to have a rotation of maybe 10 to 15 dedicated servers all over different companies. And I think one of my favorite ones was called ReliableSite.net, but that was a really long time ago. Alright, I just uploaded one image. Let me upload the other image now. No peeking. Doing sensitive stuff here. Man, how are these images so big? These images are like 1,000 megabytes, man. Is that right? It's crazy. Alright, we're ready to get back in there. You ready? So, how do I do this Docker stuff now? Is it load? Yes, this is the command I'm looking for. Wait, first, actually I want to remove all. How do I see all of these things? I want to remove everything. How do I bring down a container, man? I need that cheat sheet. I don't remember any commands. Docker cheat sheet. This is what I need. Do you have your source code in there? Docker Compose down. I don't know if I have a Docker Compose thing up though. I think I just have. Does Docker Compose down bring down everything? I just want to like turn off, I guess, midnight. Yeah, maybe that one is already done it. Alright, so now I need to bring over like a Docker Compose thing, right? This is all old news. Alright, I gotta copy in the new compose file, but you guys can't peek because I got my passwords in there. Right. All right. Wait. So I have to do some Docker load junk like this. Maybe I load up this image. It's easy to hack, man. Everybody trying to hack my silly website. And I gotta do the other image. Alright. I don't know what all these layers are, but it's doing something. And then I guess we just hit them with the Docker compose up. Is it gonna work? How do we know if it works? That looks like it works to me, man. Brent Arata in the house. Brent, I'm coming to the Bay Area next week, man. What's up? I don't know if I'll have any time to hang out or anything, though. People trying to hack. Yeah, people are trying to hack me for a clout. Oh, Zombie Chow, you're out there in the Bay. Maybe I will make some time then. Where in the Bay? I'll be in Sunnyvale. I think. I don't know. I'm gonna try and link up with B Becco. You're down? Zombie, where are you in the Bay? I'm in SoCal for December. Dang. I'm gonna miss you. Dang, AKSR, Sunnyvale. Should see Chi-Chi. Yeah, Chi-Chi's out there. I'm in San Francisco, but I can Caltrain wherever. Interesting. San Francisco. Hold on. I think we're real close here. So that's working, all that junk. Now we gotta make a dang Nginx thing, right? So I think we have some Chat GPT stuff that gave us some Nginx. Maybe it's just this. We just want it to hit this proxy, man, right? Maybe this is really it. Do I have to put that as well? And then, are you saying my website's gonna work now? No. That one goes to old. Spetsnaz Logic. I'm doing breakfast at Mountain View as much as I can. Wait, what do you mean? Breakfast at Mountain View? They got good breakfast there? Alright, clearly this... Oh, I didn't make my sim link. Alright, let's try. Certbot? Yeah, we'll do Certbot. if this works. Oh, look at that, man. Everything's working. It's too easy out here. We're in business, man. Wait, is this working? MidnightSimon.com. Let me know if it works. Yeah, link. And then I'll do the certbot stuff. Not secure though? Yeah, I haven't done the certbot, man. How do you generate that effect? Man, I use environment variables. That's how we did it, AKSR. Don't you worry about that. That's how that, oh. Alright. So my data isn't good. It's just an image. It's just this image right here, man. It ain't that serious. Alright, let's do the certificates, but you guys can't look. You should make it look good on phone in V1.1. Yeah, that's coming soon, I suppose. YouTube links don't work. Yeah, that's coming. That's also coming soon, man. Lots of things don't work right now. Alright, it should have. Alright, cert. I just did the cert bot, so we should be getting HTTPS. So finally, man, Javier D. SSL is in there right now. I just seen if it worked before I put in the certificate. Anyways, is that the end of the stream now? Now that we've deployed it? Look at that, man. How crazy. So the next thing, well, maybe I can make a list of things we need to do. We need to update the data so it's good. The data is not recent right now. And I gotta fix links and stuff like that. I gotta fix this stuff. We still have to actually make a bot to query Twitch to figure out who's streaming LeetCode. Now a link on the site that lets you join a random TypeRacer session. Brent, what do you mean? A random TypeRacer session? You mean like when you go to TypeRacer, just join a random race? No. Actually, I want to rebuild TypeRacer and have it all internally, like all in-house. In-house TypeRacer, that's what I'm trying to do, Brent. But that's like V3. That's not even V1 or 2, man. That's like V3. My goal is to have that by like next year, December or something. Oh, that is V1.1? No. Simon Racer? No, it's called V30. Man, V3.0. You should build in-house LeetCode too. AKSR, that's coming too. That's coming in V30, man. But first, in-house TypeRacer. That's the most important thing. Gerson from YouTube, how are you doing? The far I could get with Docker is to serve my front end to the world, but the back end never worked. Man, I don't know how I got this far with Docker. What I do know, it's because of chat. Twitch chat has really helped me to deploy this thing. If I did this alone, I think I'd have given up and get frustrated. Put an iframe in? No, man. Time for Patreon? No, I don't know about all that. Anyways, website's launched, kinda. We gotta fill some things out. Now we can like do regular updates. I gotta like streamline my update process though, because right now it's kind of lame. I gotta upload the images to the server and things like that. I need to try and automate that process, but I think it's okay to just do it manually for now. Doesn't take too long. I can just save the commands in a bash script or something. Well, site, we should have made that bet. Will I deploy the site today? The site got deployed, man. What's up? If you'd like to just stop streaming and go play my video games now. Make it open source so we can contribute. I don't know if I want to do that yet. Maybe I'll only make it, I won't make it open source, but maybe I can invite some of you to the private repo. Spend 5 minutes a week doing it manually, or spend 2 weeks automating this task. That's what I'm saying, don't defense. I don't think we need to automate it right now, because it's not too much crazy work. I just need to write down the commands somewhere, or like save them so I can easily copy them. Automate what? Automate the deployment whenever time I update the images and stuff. Alright, maybe we can work on some things right now. Oh wait, you know what, we should check if the dang password works. All right, don't look at my thing. Let me get my password from the environment variables. Can test the password. I'm testing it right now, don't you worry. All right, who is this champion gonna be? This is gonna be Type Racer Test Champ. Password test. All right, let's see. Type Racer password test. So the password is working. Saw your password in console logs. Man, that's cool. You can add a new Type Racer champ then. Are we finished? We hit 1.0, 1 hour into the stream. We launched it. So the next task is to clean up the data, but those tests are messing with the average speed. Yeah, a little bit, not too much now. Now make it look nicer. Okay, I can work on that. I can work on making this part look nicer for a little bit. Oh, make it work on mobile. Wait, should I have these feature requests? You guys need to file some bugs, man. Let me start taking some notes, man. Feature requests. Where are we at? Or to do. To do. How do you do things here? Let's make it. Let me file a Jira ticket. Yeah, please. Make it look good. Make it mobile friendly. What do you call it? There's a word for that. Responsive. What other? Where's the GitHub repo at? It's private. Password in database. Alright, what else we got? We need to do the Twitch bot query. What else we need to do? Make Type Racer page look good. We need to do about me section. Delete pixel pusher from the database? No. Oh, we need to fix the data. That should be probably the highest priority. Fix the data. What else? What's our... I think this is the most important thing. Maybe this is pretty important too. Add them as checkbox. Like this. I don't really know Markdown that well. What's the Twitch bot task? That's to find people streaming LeetCode and update the site with online and last online. For one, you just need to rerun my script with their up-to-date data. Kinda, yeah. It's still a little annoying though. Gerson from YouTube. Quick, silly question. Are you running Docker when developing as well, or just in prod when deploying to your server? I'm running in both, when I'm developing and when I'm deploying. But I'm by no means a Docker expert, man. You need a space between square brackets. Alright. This is a good to-do list. Should we work on fixing the data right now? That's like, I'd say that is the most important thing we gotta do. But I don't feel like doing that right now, man. Oh, link to my merch, yeah. That link to merch site. That shouldn't take long. Should we work on it now? It's like Friday. It's holidays. Where do you buy a domain? I think I bought this one on Google Domains, but they don't have domains anymore. So before I used to use Namecheap, but I don't know if Namecheap is still bumping these days. All right, let's try and fix the database, man. That's once we do that, I feel a lot better about the website. So there's a lot of junk I had to do. Don't defense. I think you sent LeetCode session. You're right. Tomorrow's a LeetCode session. Pork bun is great. What you talking about, Javier? Pork bun. Alright, don't defense shared some of these scripts. Oh, pork bun for domains. Hey, Winter Mule, what's happening? Let me check out pork bun. I've never heard of it. Pork bun is what's bumping these days. Namecheap, yeah, that's what I used to use as Namecheap. My domains are also all on pork bun. Use Windsurf, Codium, Ellis from YouTube. Windsurf, what is that? So everyone is saying pork bun is bumping. Why do we use pork bun? Good prices, great UI. Windsurf, some people say. I don't know what Windsurf is. Hover. Can you include your YouTube chat into your stream overlay? Let me add that to the to-do. Add YouTube chat to my stream overlay. I've been meaning to do that for many months. What's wrong with Namecheap? Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. I don't know if Namecheap is like not that great of a company anymore, or if they ever were. But everybody used to use Namecheap a while ago. Alright, man. Fixing the database. So Don't Defense has these scripts from ChatGPT. Let's try some of them. Nomzis says, can you explain Docker? I actually don't know how to explain Docker. Maybe I should know this, but I don't. So I think Docker containerizes your app, and I don't know what that means. I guess it means it just packages it up into a nice operating system, and then it runs that VM on something, on some virtual machine, maybe, and then it allows you to just automate creating these operating systems running your application, and then you can configure that application to talk to like other containers and stuff. Anyways, I don't know too much about that. Would it be similar to Vercel? I don't know what Vercel is, but I suppose Vercel is just a hosting service. So I think Docker and Vercel are different things. I think Vercel is like a hosting platform, and Docker is kind of a containerizer thing. Vercel is like DigitalOcean, which is a hosting platform, right? Web hosting. Are you taking the contest tomorrow? I think I am. It's not only ChatGPT, you also worked on them? Alright. Alright, so let's see. Use Beautiful Soup. Shiznits, what's happening, man? How you doing? Welcome to the party. Alright, Don't Defense. I got your Beautiful Soup Python thing right here. That is... What the heck is this? Hold on. Hold on 1 second. What am I doing? What am I doing right now? I'm trying to get these scripts over here. That's what I'm doing. All right, we're back. All right, so let's try and get this dang database thing. What keyboard am I using? The #1 most asked question here. Maybe I should have a thing about my keyboard on my website too. I need to go in like 5 minutes, but I can run the scripts tomorrow if you have issues. Don't Defense. Thank you very much. Yeah, don't worry. I think either... Alright, let me tell you, man. I don't feel like to stream anymore, man. I feel like to go play that dang game, Ghost of Tsushima. Not gonna lie. My only goal today was to deploy the site, and I feel like the site is deployed. So should I just dip and work on this another time? I'll be on tomorrow for the contest, So wait, maybe I can use this time to talk about my availability coming up. Tomorrow I'll stream the contest. It will be I guess I'll take next week also. Monday I won't be streaming. I will be in the Bay. I might meet up with B-Beck on Monday. Wednesday I won't be streaming. All of next week I won't be streaming. I'll be in the Bay Area. So if you're in the Bay and you're interested in meeting up, I don't know if I'll have time to meet up. But if I do, maybe it might have to be like next Thursday evening. Pick up anything on the Steam sale. Crunchy Nerd, I bought Ghost of Tsushima. Did I buy anything else? I bought We Who Are About to Die. So this game is really nice, man. I talked about this last time. It's such a great game. Check out Ants Took My Eyeballs. Man, sounds crazy. Platformer. Alright. Couple years old. Alright, I'll check it out. Anyways, I think that's it for Friday night, man. Just a quick stream, launching the dang website. Everything's working. I don't feel like to fix my data right now, but I will fix it very soon in the future. It could be, maybe I'll fix it offline, you know. Or maybe I'll fix it the next time I do a web dev stream. And we got Advent of Code coming up as well. So my leaderboard is here. This year, I guess we'll just use the same leaderboard. So if you're interested in Advent of Code and you want to join my leaderboard, here is my code. Advent of Code leaderboard. Anyways, Advent of Code starts on December 1st. And man, I think that's Sunday. Maybe I'll do a special Advent of Code stream for the beginning. And yeah, we'll see how it goes this year. I'll be super busy, so I don't know how much Advent of Code I'll be doing. Anyways, look at that website, man. It's working. It's launched. So, quick stream. Let me get out of here now. Anybody doing leak code? Anybody streaming anything? Anybody have recommendations for who to raid right now? There's a lot of people streaming, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm ending, man. Daily? You want me to do the daily problem? Nah, it ain't happening. Why am I stopping so early? I don't even stream on Fridays, Bobby Blue. What you talking about? Early. Maybe make the website episodes, could be a YouTube playlist. Javier D, that's a good idea, man. I might try and do that real soon. Like, maybe after I end this stream, I'll do that. Or should you saying I should just do it right now? I don't know how to work YouTube, man. Done this before? I'll do this offline, man. What is this? Custom, I've done it. Custom sorting string. Yeah, I've done it. And I've done it earlier this year, 6 months ago. You've done a lot, man. I've done like 1,300 problems. That's about half the problems in well, not even half. But I have done a lot of problems, Steven Sagiball. I just finished a leak code and come back to see you entertain. Then you want to stop. Yeah, man. I want to be entertained too, Bobby Blue. I'm out of here, man. That's what's going on. Tell me, who should I raid? Should we raid Oh Dat Nerd? Or is there somebody else who is doing leak code or something like that? Nobody's trying to study leak code on a Friday, man. Will I do the contest tomorrow? Yeah, I will do the contest tomorrow. Everybody's making video games? Or... yeah, everybody's just making video games, man. Nobody likes leak code on Twitch. Alright, I'm just gonna choose a random person. It's gonna be maybe this guy. React practice projects for beginners. That's it. Or we can hit Oh Dat Nerd. Oh look, this guy has his mom or somebody. Maybe not his mom, but somebody bringing in food. We gotta go raid this guy. This guy is serious, man. That's the dream. Oh, that person is joining them. Alright. He doesn't even know we're about to go raid him. He's doing her taxes. His mom. I don't know if it's his mom, man. I'm just saying somebody. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in. It looks the same age. Yeah. Maybe not his mom. Could be. We're about to find out. Anyways. His spouse, probably. But thank you very much for tuning in to such a short stream today. But we got the job done. The website is launched, midnightsimon.com. Don't be mean to this person we're about to stream, man. Just be nice. Say nice things. Tell them how delicious the food looks. Maybe ask them what they're eating. You know, what they're working on. Nice things. Title of the webpage is new remix app. That sounds good to me, man. Yeah, I'm ending the stream. See you later, everybody. Bobby Blue, AKSR, Save It Here, Versusoids. Have a good night. Steven Sagiball, Q Ultimus, everybody, don't defense, Shiznits, YouTube. See you later.